Hello everybody and welcome to my unboxing video of the ASRock Challenger graphics card. It's with an Intel GPU, Intel Arc B580, and it has 12 gigabytes of memory, ray tracing and stuff like that, upscaling, AI, overclocking. It has it all. I bought it because it is only 2 fonts. You have one with 3. If you can choose for 3, it's better you choose 3 because then you have less noise. It can better do the heat away and things like that. But I bought this card especially because it has 2 fonts. Then it fits in my personal computer. You understand? So we are going to unbox this now. Here you see some kind of manual. What is this? Voila. What is this? A manual. Voila, this is some manual, and then here you have some wrap, and then the card itself, I see it here. Voila, and for the rest there is there something in? No, the box is empty for the rest. So only this is what you see. Voila, this and this. I also want to tell you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. So if you subscribe, you can win laptops, computer stuff, Bluetooth stuff, smartphones, all kind of goodies. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel because it's completely free and you can win very nice prizes. So this is the graphics card as you see it. It has two big fonts. There is plastic around it. Always remove that before you are using it, and also remove this cap because otherwise you cannot slide it into your computer ports. Also don't forget to connect the PCIe 8 slot. Here you see it, so it's better you connect it. So this is the card. It's a B580 Intel mid-range card. Yes, it's quite good. It's not the best, but it's also not the worst. And yeah, if you can buy it around $250 or 250 euros, you have it for a good price, and you actually can do 1440p gaming with it. So this is very high resolution. It's better than 1080p. So yeah, it's a very capable card. You understand? We are going to install this later. Check out the other videos for that if you are going to install it, and then you can see yeah, how we do that. And I also want to tell you, if you like this video, please don't forget to like it, because if you like it we can create more from this content and we will show you also more. And also don't forget to subscribe for the prizes that we give away. So hit the subscribe button now and then you can win something nice. So this is the box. Voila, you see it. It has also some LEDs on it. Dual fan design, metal backplate it's written on it. AI upscaling, frame generation and things like that. Advanced media engines. It is hardware and media encoders for people that do works with video files and things like that. This card is absolutely insane. So I see you later. Bye bye.